Now let us see the linked list representation of a sparse matrix. So linked list representation of sparse matrix. See, we already completed with the two rules. The first rule is number of rows, columns and non-zero elements completed, and implementation of triplet form is also completed. Once after the triplet form was completed, now it is time for implementing the linked list representation from the triplet form. So first, linked list representation will always be represented in the form of a node. So I am just defining one node that comes with 4 rows, 6 columns and 10 values, and half part, this particular part is for column representation and this particular part is for row representation. Now how many columns are there? Total how many columns are there? 6 columns are there. So 6 nodes we have to create for defining the non-zero elements. So you define 6 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means C0, C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. And now it is time to define number of rows. How many rows are there? Total 4 rows. So define number of rows. R0, R1, R2, R3. So total row representation, column representation was completed. After you define the rows and columns, now let us move with finding out the non-zero positions and representations with the help of a nodes. Now in row 0, we have at the third column position with the value 3. So row 0, C3 column and the value is 3. You define like this, and this particular part is for column and row representation. After that, same 0th row, 4th column, 0th row, 4th column and the value is 4. And first row, first column, first row, first column and the value is 1. And first row, third column and the value is 1. And again first row, 5th column and the value is 1. Second row, first column, second row, first column and value is 2. And second row, second column, second row, second column and value is 4. Third row, first column, third row, first column and value is 2. Third row, second column and value is 1. Third row, fourth column and value is 5. So in this how Based on this triplet form, we have to define the number of nodes with their non-zero elements in such a way. So this is for row representation, and this is for column representation, this is for value. So after defining this, we have to link with the defined rows and columns like this. Link every node with their respective nodes from their respective rows and columns. So connect like this, and sorry, this is not there. After defining this, now in every row at the last node representation here, we have to connect to their respective parental nodes and also to their respective rows. So now this is the last node, and this last node will be connected to their respective columns and to their respective nodes. So by interconnecting with their pointing nodes, now our linked list representation by using this sparse matrix was completed. So hope you all understood. For any queries, you can ping me personally. Thank you and all the best.